Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account from business back to personal account. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now there is a special section over here that will change the game for you. I want you to scroll down to the section for professionals. I want you to click on business tools and control. Now this is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see a section that is called switch account type. Let's click on it. Now you have an option to switch from your current business account back to either personal account or creator account. This is how easy it is. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.